morning. I had you last night.
Oh, okay, good morning, class.
Did you see them win that game? No.
Oh, it was so good. They hit so many home runs.
Yeah, awesome.
Uh-oh.
What did you do? What were you doing?
I was on the phone.
Okay, guys, thank you. And I know you're very excited to discuss math, but we need to get started in the lesson today, so appreciate you guys cut out the chitter chatter. So anyway, let's get started with the lesson. What we're going to do is discuss again the concepts of greater than, less than, and equal to. Now before we discussed greater than, less than, or equal to with whole numbers. So let's review that one more time. For example, 2 and 2. 2 is what to 2?
I already know this. Do we have to go over it again?
Equal to.
2 is what to 2?
Equal to.
Okay, guys, remember we need to raise our hands. Don't just call out, okay? So one more time. 2 is what to 2? Shelly?
Equal to?
Equal to, exactly.
She's so smart. Wow.
Alright, we'll do one more. 3 is what to 7? Lauren?
Less than.
Less than, that's correct. Okay? So the symbols again, greater than, less than, and equal to. Now we're going to take it one step beyond whole numbers today, and we're going to talk about fractions and comparing fractions. Specifically, we're going to talk about fractions with like denominators. But before we get to that, let's make sure we understand fractions. I'm going to put a fraction on the board. 2/3. Which one is, or what is this number here called? Shelley?
The numerator?
The numerator, that's correct. And this number here, what is this called? Andrew?
Denominator.
Denominator, correct. And I really appreciate you guys holding your hands up and not calling out. Good job. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to compare some like denominator fractions. So our first example here, 1/3 is what to 2/3? Lauren?
Less than.
Less than. That's correct. Okay. And we'll do one more example on the board. Four-fifths is what to 2/5? Shelley?
Greater than?
Greater than, correct. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I have some worksheets. I'm going to pass them out to you, and we're going to have you work on these at your desk. And then once you've completed those, I'll collect them and we'll break for recess. So go ahead and take a few minutes and work on those worksheets a little bit.
What are you going to do at recess today?
I'm going for the first.
Yeah.
No.
Okay guys, we need to stop talking and work on the worksheets, please. Thank you. That's more like it. I really appreciate you keeping it down. I can tell you're focusing and working diligently on your math. Andrew, do you have a question?
No.
No?
I'm okay.
Okay, I'm just wondering why you're still talking. I asked you guys not to talk. You're okay? No questions? Okay, great. Okay, whenever you guys are done, go ahead and raise your hand and I'll come collect your worksheet. Lauren, thank you. Shelley, thank you. Andrew, thank you. Okay, so we'll go over these when we get back for recess, so let's go ahead and break for recess. Andrew, actually, do you mind staying a couple minutes? I'd like to talk to you before you go to recess.
Okay.
Thank you.